Hey again, artists. We're here to draw some fish. All right, as always, we start with pencil. So in case we need to erase. I'm going to start by drawing. I'm gonna actually leave room for a school of fish. So I'm gonna draw maybe over here because I'm gonna put some waves up here. But anyway, so the first thing I'm gonna do is draw a curved line. And that is gonna determine how big my fish is gonna be. I'm gonna connect it from this end to this end. So it's almost like a shape of an eye or a leaf. And then I'm going to draw some fins. I'm gonna draw this fin. Fins can be lots of different shapes. I'm gonna do another curved line up at the top and another curved line at the bottom. There's lots of opportunity for using different patterns and textures. Then I'm gonna draw like a triangle shape at the end here. So I'll just put a little dot there and I can bring my tail up. This is for the tail. And then you could either draw a curved line to connect it or a wavy line or a straight line. I think I'm gonna draw a curved line to connect it. All right, so there you've got the body, the fins, and the tail. And I'm gonna draw a line. You can draw a straight line or a curved line. I'm gonna make mine a little curved to show the fish is, try to make it look more 3D. And then I'm gonna put a circle and then a dot for the eye. And then you can either make a curved line for the mouth or you could make the lips coming out. But I'm gonna just show you this way. I'll just go like this. Okay? Maybe make some lines here. Show the texture of the fins. All right, now I'm gonna decide about all of those different beautiful designs that fish have. So maybe I'll make a stripy fish, just like in the story. Stripy fish. All right, now there's lots of different types of fish, so I'm gonna try another kind. All right, I'm gonna start it the same way. I'm gonna start it with a curve. Maybe I'll make a dot. I'll start with a curved line. This one's gonna be smaller. Another curved line coming up and connecting. That's a baby fish. And then I'm gonna do a triangle fin, which is an angle line. And then I'm gonna do another triangle for the fin. And then I'm gonna draw another line to show. Oh, you know what? Gills. Let's draw some gills. And this is gonna be that little kind of fish. So I hope you're remembering the lessons we've been doing together and how they've been underwater creatures, because you can add those underwater creatures that you, a spotty fish, that you have been learning about this whole year. Turtles, octopus, whales. Let's try another fish with another curved line. Start with a dot here. And this one's gonna be a longer fish. Because like in the story, they showed all these different types of shapes of fish. So this one's gonna be a longer fish. And I'm gonna do bloop, bloop, bloop. Maybe do a long tail. I love drawing fish. So sort of like relaxing. Because really you could do any shapes, any colors, any, with the mouth. Oh, also could do a little finny fin fish. Look at that. They're all different. They're all unique. This has some triangle designs. Can't wait to color this. One last one. Even though I want to do more, I want to color these. So I'm going to do a real curved line up and another curved line to connect. So it's a rounder fish. And there are fish like that. I think clownfish are kind of round like this. I'm going to do a different kind of fin. I'm going to loop around almost like a teardrop shape. That's cute. And then an eye like that is another kind of eye you could do. And let's do maybe a loopy fin and another loopy. Lots of curved lines. Maybe I'll do a design like all these beautiful patterns. There. All right, I'm gonna keep going and I will come back and see you when this is colored. Bye.